Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look right here. And today I woke up and it was a good skin day. You know, sometimes you wake up and your skin's looking good, you're feeling good, but I still needed to put makeup on because I'm hosting a party at my house tonight. So this is the look that I created, and hopefully I'll wake up with another good skin day tomorrow. But if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So today I'm doing a makeup look for when you're having a good skin day, and for me this is a really good skin day. I've been having a really good skin week actually, which is extremely rare, but I've really been loving this Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate. So I'm going to start out with 4 drops of this. Need a little bit more here. And then I'm just going to spread this all over the face, and I find that this really helps keep my skin even toned and like hydrated throughout the day without making me super greasy like some other like facial serums can. And next, after that serum, I'm going to use my by Terry Cellularose Brightening CC Serum, and this is in the shade 4 Sunny Flash. This is the super dark tan bronzing one, but don't be scared of this if you have fair skin. I've been using this all the time on like no makeup days because it kind of tans up the skin and hides any discoloration, and it also I think is additionally like hydrating and kind of like nice for the skin, but it is really heavily fragranced, so it can't be that good for your skin, but I just like the effect it gives and the evening out of my skin that it provides. Okay, those serums are blended in, and I think they provide like a nice barrier against the skin before you put on your makeup, and that's why I started with both of those, because since it is a good skin day, I want to make sure that my skin stays good and doesn't get irritated today with a bunch of makeup, and it's still going to look nice tomorrow. So that's why I started with those. And now for foundation, you can go a couple different routes on a good skin day. Of course, you can do anything you want, but for me on a good skin day, I'm either deciding between like a really light BB cream, wearing no makeup, or going for like a foundation look. And most days I tend to just kind of leave my base at this on a good skin day because I don't feel like taking on more makeup. But on days when I have something to do, for example, today is the Super Bowl when I'm filming this, so we have friends coming over for a party, I want to put on like actual foundation. So my choice today is going to be the Estee Lauder Double Wear Light, which I really can't recommend enough if you have oily skin but don't have a lot of like discoloration or blemishes that you want to hide, because this gives you kind of the same great finish as their like original Double Wear and some of their other formulas, but it doesn't have like the super high cakey coverage. It's just really nice and lighter, but you can definitely build this up. I built this up to a pretty medium to full coverage and been pretty impressed with it. But today, since I'm having a good skin day, I can probably use a little less and just go for a lighter coverage out of this foundation. Okay, so foundation is on, and now for concealer. Since this is a good skin day and I'm going for just a little bit of lighter coverage all over, I'm going to use my Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in the shade Porcelain, because I really love this concealer, and it's also like just a lighter, more watery texture, so it's not like too crazy and cakey, like something like the Tarte Shape Tape or something like that. This is just really nice and light, but does get the job done. It's not like one of those light concealers that you pack it on, it doesn't do anything. And as you can see, that concealer is like a light finish, nothing too bright and like lightening under the eyes, but just kind of natural. So I'm going to set that with my Mercier translucent powder and take the same corner of my damp beauty blender that I used to blend out the concealer, just to set it into place. To set the face, I'm a little bit torn whether to use my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish or my Osmosis Mineral Pressed Base. They're both really nice, but I think the Osmosis would be a little bit more skin friendly than the MAC. But I think I'm gonna go with the MAC just because I want a teensy bit more coverage with this like lighter coverage foundation. And like I said, since we're having a little party today, I want this makeup look to last a little longer. I think if it was just a regular day, I definitely would have gone for the Osmosis, but today is just a little bit more special, so I'm going for the MAC. For bronzer, I've been loving using my Becca Sunlit bronzer in Capri Coast lately, so I'm going to take this on my Real Techniques Dual Fiber Face Brush and blend it all over the face. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my MaryLou Manizer by the Balm highlight, and I don't know why I just had the itch to use this. I haven't broken it out in a while, and I wanted something that was a little bit more of a neutral, nothing too pinky or goldy highlight, and this one's more of like a silvery whitish highlight, so kind of the vibe I'm going for today, so we'll use this one. And for blush, I'm going to use my Osmosis blush in the shade Peony because this is a healthy mineral blush, so this is also not going to irritate my cheeks, although I just put some other products on there that probably will, but whatever. This is just a beautiful, really cool toned pink shade that I think is perfect for every day. Okay, before lips, the final step will be brows, and I'm going to use my Clinique Superfine Liner for brows in 02 Soft Brown, so I'm going to fill those in and then be right back to finish off with lips. So I filled in the brows with that Clinique product, and then I also set them with the Glossier Boy Brow in brown. And now I just decided I wanted to add a little bit of bottom lash mascara because I'm not going to do any other eye makeup because I do have my eyelash extensions still, and they're looking okay. So I'm just going to leave that as is and add just a little bit of this Tarte Gifted mascara to the bottom lashes. Okay, I added just a little bit of bottom lash mascara there, and then to finish off with lips, I'm going to use my Sara Happ Ballet Slip 1 Luxe Gloss. This is the like pinky shade of her glosses, and I think this will be really nice with the pink blush. Her glosses are my absolute favorite. The Nude Gloss is the one I use all the time, every day. Alright guys, and that's it for my Good Skin Day makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video, and all the products that I used will be listed in the description box down below. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I upload 2 days a week on Monday and Thursday, and thank you so much for watching.